welcome back to my channel. My name is Scrap Queen and today I like to show you my challenge. So, like I told you in the tutorials, but I was cleaning up a bit in my craft room and cleaning up all the papers and all the tools that I use downstairs. Now it's not that hot this week. So I went to go upstairs and I had this in my hand again. And I was wondering, what can you do with 6 papers? And well, I thought, well, it's summertime, so why put it away? Why not use it right away? And for me, normally I do big albums and lots of activity all the times, and for me it's sometimes very chill that I can make a little simple project. So so I get I get the inspiration for the papers, and I thought, yeah, let's try it out, and this is the results. So I think I spent, well, I think, yeah, maximum 7-8 hours on this, because I am not a fast crafter, but now I already have the dimensions and all the measurements. If I will do it again, I think it will be faster. But that's always, if you want to try something out, you need to calculate a little for the pages, see what base pages you like to add in here. So I spend a little more time than I think you should do when you follow the tutorials. But anyway, it's a fun project, and it's a 7 by 5 inch, and I believe that's 18 by 12.5 centimeters. Yes, I totally forgot to give you the measurements in centimeters when you follow the tutorial, but I am yeah, there in all the countries you can find centimeters and inches rulers. Now this is an old one for me, but there are a lot of other rulers that you can take for your own measurements. Alright, so let's dig in. So this is the outside, and I used, for the once, finally I got the chance to try out these cork wooden embellishments from Laser Olaf. Well, this is a sample, this Tech Turca die cut chipboard. Awesome quality. I put a nice little bow and a crystal on top of this. I layered 2 layers of these, and yeah, I absolutely cut out, fussy cut the flowers, put some ribbon on here. Yeah, I think it's cute. This is for the spine. Summer with some melons, and this is the back. Keep it plain, and then inside there is a tuck spot right here, and then all the pages are the same with a pocket at the front. This is actually a booklet that I made with all the leftover pieces, and I made some cards in every page. Then this is for placing your photos. I made a little Polaroid frame where you can, and so can you imagine that you can have a nice summer holiday, and when you come back you choose the nicest pictures and you can put them all in here. You can write something down, you can store your tickets in here. Put your photo on here and write something on the back, or on the back a photo, anything small. Nice photos here, another pocket. You can do a lot of these nice little projects. And if you have a birthday coming up and you want to make something small, and you can use this in any occasion, of course. This is just the summer collection, but you can use any collection of papers that you have in your stash. And even you can make a little baby album or a graduate album or anything. But it's really cute, it's very fast to make, and yeah, I love doing it. So forgive me that not all my albums are flippity floppity hocus pocus pilates pas. Sometimes even the Scrap Queen wants to make something simple and small. So, alright, I hope you liked it. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. Yeah, I do have another collection with the summertime. So yeah, but I played with one of these. Alright, so give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Bye bye, thanks for watching.